All right, so we're continuing our journey towards a better understanding of the base 12 version of pi by creating a diagram that generates all 360 degrees using base 12 geometry. So in the last video, I showed you how we're going to the fourth ring of this dodecagon, and we're dividing its diameter into the circumference or the perimeter of this pattern. So we can see there's 8 little circles here, and we're putting those into the edge of the dodecagon. So 3 times 8 is 24, because we know the diameter goes into the circumference of a circle 3 times with some empty space left over. So each section of dodecagon is going to have 2 circles. So this is what it looks like on the section of dodecagon that's perpendicular to the 45-degree line. Now what we want to do is draw some more circles to create some points so we can place the rest of those circles on the perimeter of the dodecagon. So what we do is draw a circle that is defined by the point where the 45-degree line is crossing the dodecagon. So the length or the radius of that circle is going to be 4 times 0.96 root 2, which is 3.2 root 2. So we draw that circle and we see how it crosses the 15-degree line. Now we're going to draw another circle, and this one's defined by the points that these smaller circles are sitting on, again, part of the dodecagon, and we draw that circle as well. So now we have 2 rings that are crossing the 15-degree line. So now we set our compass to the length of 0.5 root 2, which is the length of one of the sections of degrees or sections of dodecagon. And we go down and place our compass on the inner ring where it crosses the 15-degree line, and we make some points on the outer ring. And then we reset our compass to the length of 0.49 root 2. That's the length of, or the radius of these smaller circles. Then we go down and we make 2 more circles centered on the points that we just generated. So that's how we create the points for the rest of the circles for, putting all those circles around the edge of the dodecagon. So ultimately we're working to create this pattern here. So that was the next step. I think I'm going to leave it there for this video. In the next one, I'll go over the more of the lengths and the radiuses of these circles and just how we get all the measurements, because we're going to be using this same method for creating each consecutive ring of the pattern until we've created all 360 degrees, all 360 points on the edge of the circumference of the circle. So I hope you can join me for those future videos. Thanks for watching.